Hello, today you are looking at a Sullair 50 horse rotary screw air compressor brought to you by Surplus Industrial Supply. This item was built in 1998, has 57,211 hours, very nice condition. The exhaust actually leaves the top. The model number is ES11/50H ACAC. This is a 460 volt unit, runs 125 psi, 210 CFM. Three-phase unit. Dimensions are 62 inches by 35 inches by 67 inches. Weighs 1,980 pounds. Nice unit. Runs quiet. Good shape. Serial number 003-141873. If you have any questions on this unit or any other units at Surplus Industrial Supply, please contact us at 616-451-4100 or online at www.surplusindustrialsupply.com. Thank you and have a great day.